Guys, this is Akinola King, the lead instructor from KNFX Academy. So welcome to our YouTube channel. So before this video, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please click on subscribe button and click on notification button so that you'll be notified when we drop a new video. So in this video, I will be analyzing 5 Web3 coin that is going to be best among the best investments in 2022. Before I begin with the analysis, so I want to let you know that this video is not a financial advice. It's just an analysis that can lead to financial decision. So we'll be looking at Polkadot, Helium, Filecoin, Theta network, and BitTorrent. So before I proceed with the analysis, let's first briefly look at what Web3 is. According to Web3 is believed to be the evolution of the internet as we know it. The future edition of the WWW will be built on the blockchain and powered by machine learning and artificial intelligence (AI). We can broaden the Web 3.0 definition to say that it will be decentralized because of blockchain technology. What comes with decentralization of the WWW could include 1. Opportunity. More platforms can function without the threat of monopoly. 2. Knowledge. Information will be censorship resistant and more accessible. 3. Safety. Data won't be stored in a centralized repository. 4. Autonomy. User will be able to build and own a part of the internet and use tokens as a central piece of ownership. 5. Integration. Cryptocurrencies and NFTs will become the central medium of exchange and transaction. These are the basic things about Web3. So if you want to know deep about Web3, you can search on Web3 videos on YouTube to get a deep knowledge about what Web3 is. But in this video, we are just going to analyze 5 coin under Web3 that is going to be a good investment in 2022. So let's go back to coin market. So you can see Polkadot here. The price during this video is $18 with the market cap $17 billion. So with the circulation supply of $987 million. So let's quickly go to the chart. Let's review the chart and what people are saying about this particular coin. Few charts. Polkadot is ranked 11 out of 17,153 cryptocurrency. Is ranked 11, and this particular coin is on watch list of 1,365,222 people. So they put Polkadot on their watch list because they know something is going to happen this year. Let's scroll down. You can see, let's go through the live charts. You can see, let's read this one. This is big day for Polkadot. Moonbeam is rocking and rolling and major integration will be taking place so far the coming week. He just gave his own opinion on Polkadot. It's a big day. In my opinion, Polkadot might be the best project on the market. I would definitely recommend for long-time investors to have it in their portfolio. That's cool. So let's see how people vote for this coin. 85% go for good, while 15% bad, which is concluded that this particular coin is very good. Let's see if we can see any news about this particular coin before we go to trading field to analyze the charts together. There should be news. Wow, you can see this. Polkadot in race to become FC Barcelona official jersey sponsor. That is a great news. It's going to take a bullish effect on the coin. So now let's go to the trading field to analyze the chart and see why is in number 1 under Web3. This is the chart. This is daily chart. Let me zoom in. So this is all we got. So before then, let me show you guys this. So let me show you the performance of this particular coin in last 1 year. This particular coin is gaining 16.98% in 1 year, which means if you invested in this particular coin, your profit will be 16.98 by now if you invested in it a year ago. So let's look at the chart. Let's see what is happening here, and let's see what we can pick from here. The bullish movement starts December 2020 to May 2021 before the retracement. Let's see how many percent of the Fibonacci this the retracement is before continuing the bullish movement. Let's pick our Fibonacci retracement. So according to our Fibonacci, the retracement got to 70% level. Let me draw that out. It got to 70% before it began the bullish movement again around July 2021. So, and the bullish movement stopped again around November 2021 and begin another retracement, which is still happening till now. So now let's see how many percent of Fibonacci the retracements have point to. Let's see how many percentage of the Fibonacci the retracement has gone to. Sorry for that. So guys, the retracement has also got to 70, has come down to 70%, which means history is going to repeat itself. So the history has already repeated itself on the retracement, so which means it's going to also repeat itself on the bullish movement to continue the trend. You can see the retracement began November 2021 and it gets to 70% of Fibonacci. Let me draw that out. So it has got to the 70% of Fibonacci, and there's some rejection here. For the past few days now, there has been rejection here, which means it's going to begin a bullish movement. And from what I can see here, I can see a fastly head and shoulder pattern forming. I'll see the left shoulder and the head, so I'm waiting for the right shoulder to continue the bullish movement. So guys, from what you can see, you can decide on what to do on Polkadot. So that is my own review on Polkadot. So you can decide to pick it up from there. So note, as I said earlier, this is not a financial advice, it's just an analysis. So guys, let's go back to coin market and let's go and check on Helium. Let's go back. So as at today, Helium is $28 with a market cap of $3 billion and the circulating supply of 109 million Helium HNT. So let's review the chart. You can see Helium is ranked 39 among 70,153 cryptocurrency. Is ranked 39, but is on third under Web3, but is 39 under general market. So let's see what people are saying, and let's see the votes. So Weston said, I feel that this project is going to be top 10 in a couple of years. Nice review. Amazing returns. I was one of the first 500 miners. Yes. Love Helium, especially with the miner. If you don't have the Helium miner, you should look into getting one. So Helium miner is another topic entirely, and we can look into that too, but in this video we just review the chart and tell you why you should look into this particular coin for investment this year. So let's see how people vote. You can see here 91% vote good, while 9% vote bad, which means this coin is very good. It's very good. So these are the history of the chart, but we are not coming for that. Just going through the technical analysis to drive us to a conclusion whether to invest in it or not. Is there any news? Helium has flipped a key area from supply to demand as bulls take control. That's a good one. So let's go to trading field to check Helium. Helium will be HNT USDT. You can see here. before then, let's look at the performance. If you invested in this coin 1 year ago, your profit will be 1,295%. Wow, imagine that, 1,295% profit. Wow, this is a very, very good investment. So now let's look at the chart. From what I can see here, the bullish movement starts March, around, let's say, February 2021. So around May, before the retracement 2021. And the retracement, let's see how many percent of Fibonacci the retracement got to. You can see here, the retracement goes to 50%. Let me zoom it out.
Another class from BitTorrent.com.
The retracement goes to 50%, 60, yes. It got to 60% before it begins another bullish movement. So it began another bullish movement in July 2021. So before another retracement, August 2021. So let's see how many percent retracement of Fibonacci from that August. Let's delete this. This is another history repeat itself here too. This is 60% again, and that's 60% retracement. You can see it's 50% retracement again, 60. Retracement got to 50 and touched the 60%. So before the bullish movement around September 2021, before the retracement around November 2021. So let's see how many percent the retracement has come to. The retracement is still happening. As you can see, the retracement has got to 70%, even more than 70%. There's a lot of rejection here, which means the coin is going to continue the bullish movement. So if you see here, if you look here, we may see a bearish move. This is the high low, low low, high low, another low low. But with the look of things, it's going to break this resistance. It's going to break this resistance here, because this here is for Web3. It's going to break this resistance here, because there's a very strong support which the which is getting the rejection now. There's a support level here, which is going to make sure it's back and break this resistance and continue the bullish movement. So guys, that is that on Helium. Now let's go back to the next coin to analyze. So our third coin is Filecoin. Filecoin is $19 as at now, with a market cap of $2.9 billion and distribution of 153 million file. So let's go through the chart and the review on it. Filecoin is rank 41 out of 17,153 cryptocurrency. So it's rank 41, though it's number 4 under Web3 coins, but it's 41 under general market. So let's see what people have to say. So people are hoping for up. What's it at 60? There's no much good review on this particular coin, but can assure you, they follow their roadmap, they are still growing. Can assure you, Filecoin is still going to move. So let's see how people vote. Let's vote for good. 71% go for good, while 29% go for bad, which means this particular coin is under good. I can't say very good, but it's under good. So let's go to the chart and let's see what we can see there. File USDT. Wow, this coin is performing woefully. It has gone down to starts. It has dropped from 240, come down to 19. This is a very heartbreaking event. Total heartbreaking. But to me, I don't think there's anywhere else it can go to again. I think it has dropped to the lowest price, all-time low. It has got to the all-time low level. You can see this is the all-time low. I think there is no any other way than to start the bullish move. That is the all-time low. All-time low. At least if you put your money now, it's safe. It's safe because this year Web3 is going to dominate, and once the Web3 dominates, Filecoin is like storage coin, so it's going to perform better, I believe. Though all the performance has been poor for the past 1 year, it's -9%, 3 months -66, So the coin is performing woefully, but with the level of Web3 and where the coin is now, I think there is no any other choice than for the coin to start a bullish movement. It has gone to the all-time low, so it is safe now to invest in it. So there is nowhere to go. It cannot break this resistance, this support rather. It cannot break this support level here because price consolidates a lot before it begin the bullish movement. So guys, you can, with the analysis, you can decide on what to do. I can't tell you what to do. I can only analyze for you. So let's go back and check the fourth coin on our list. The first is Theta network. Theta network is $2.8 as of today, with the market cap of $2.8 billion and distribution of 1 billion Theta. So let's go to the review. So this particular coin is rank 44 among the 17,153 cryptocurrency. So though it's number 5 in the under Web3, but it is 44 under general market. Let's see what people have to say about this particular coin. So this particular person says, those who accumulate now on the 2025 will enjoy life-changing gain that a normal trader will sell their bags quickly on dip will not get to experience. NFA gets 1,000 of them at least. Grayscale is considering including this coin in its offer. It has happened. The price will rise rapidly. I'm buying. Next one. Launching in 7 days. Okay, this definitely a good opportunity to, but do your own research. Yes. Okay, that's good. So let's see how people vote this particular coin. Let's vote for good. So 79% vote for good, while 21% vote for bad, which we can say this particular coin is good. So let's go to trading view to see what we have there. This particular coin has been on a bearish movement since April last year, when the price got to $15 before it's come back to $2. April last year started the bullish movement. So with the what I can see here, this particular coin has near the all-time low, this support level here, which is 1.2. So So to me, when it gets to this level, it will surely move rapidly. Like the bullish movement, the volatility will be high when it gets to this level. So let's do the performance of this coin. Sorry for that. Sorry.
Another class from BitTorrent.com.
So let's see the performance. If you invested in this coin 1 year ago, you will be in profit of 42.24% profit. So your profit will be 42.24% if you invested in it 1 year ago. So as this coin has come down close to this support level here, the next thing you should be finding a bullish movement. I believe when it gets to this level, it will go back. So guys, let's go and review the last on our list for this video. Sorry, I lost. So let's go and check the last. Last on our list is BitTorrent. I know BitTorrent has been performing very good in these few days. So the price is 0.000028 dollar with a market cap of $1.8 billion and the distribution of 932 trillion BTT. Wow. People are really invested in this particular coin. They're buying it so much.
Another class from BitTorrent.com.
As you can see, this particular coin is ranked 53 under 70,153 cryptocurrency. Sudo is number 6 on under Web3 coin, but it's 56 under general market. So let's do the people review on it. I believe there's an issue about the BTTC and BTT, so I feel that this new version of BTC could reach 0.001 or even 0.0 later this year. I forgot I have those coins and just buy more while it is cheap. One day I'll be able to buy a house with its value. I feel like a way. I'm convinced that crypto has a woe in nothing. Well, everybody has their own opinion. So let's see how people voted this coin. Let's go for good. 83% go for good, while 70% go for bad, which you can say this particular coin is very good. So let's go to the chart and check the review on it. Though this coin is not performing well for the last 1 year, it has gone to the least all-time low. It has gone to the all-time low. The coin has gone to the all-time low.
Another classic from BitTorrent.com.
With what I can see here,
From BitTorrent.com.
I can't say anything. It's not clear, but the coin is not performing well. It's not performing well. But let's see when Web3 take over, if there's any hope here. But this particular coin has been performing very well for the past few days now. It's been gaining bullish indicator even in the market, even when the other altcoin they are going down. This particular coin is trying to make a bullish movement. So let's see if it has a better thing. Let's just put it on our watch list. It may surprise us. So that is that on the top 5 on our list. Though Web3 has up to 72 coin. Let's check that. Yes, sorry, my network is quite slow. Yes, under Web3 we have Polkadot with price $18, which is at minus 0.83 in 24 hours, minus 24 in 7 days. Market cap $17 billion. Volume in 24 hours $1.7 billion. Circulating supply 987 dots, and it's followed by Chainlink, so which is for $15, which is minus 1.24 in 24 hours, or minus 27% in 7 days. The market cap $7 billion, with the volume in 24 hours $1.2 billion, and the circulating supply of 467 million link. So followed by Helium with $29, is gaining 13.66% in 24 hours and 3.31% in 7 days. The market cap is $3.1 billion. So the volume in 24 hours is $69 million. So with a circulating supply of 109 million HNT, followed by Filecoin. Filecoin is $19.2, with the increase of 6.69 in 24 hours and decrease of minus $30.13 in 7 days, with the market cap of $2.9 billion, and the volume in 24 hours is $115 million, with distribution of 153 million Phi. So followed by Theta 5, that is $2.8, with the increase in 24 hours increase of 10.65% and the decrease of 33 minus 33.84%, with the market cap of $2.8 billion and the following 24 hours $485 million and circulating supply of 1 billion Theta. So followed by the graph GRT, so which is $0.4, with a decrease in 24 hours minus 1.42 and decrease in 7 days minus 22.79, with the market cap of $1.9 billion and the following 24 hours is $115 million with the distribution of 4.7 billion GRT. BitTorrent is 0.00002 with increase in 24 hours, increase of 1.7, 1.4 and decrease of 16.3 in 7 days. The market cap of $1.9 billion and the following 24 hours is $53 million with a distribution of 932 trillion BTC, followed by stacks. Stack is $1 with an increase in 24 hours 2.9, decrease in 7 days 32.13%, with the market cap of $1.7 billion and volume $91 million in 24 hours, with a supply of 1.2 billion XTX, and followed by a basic attention token BAT, which is $0.8 with the increase in 24 hours 3.34% and decrease of 14.98 in 7 days, with the market cap of $1.2 billion and the following in 24 hours is $211 million with a distribution of 1.4 billion BAT, followed by a wave AR, which is $30.4 with a decrease in 24 hours 6.29 and a decrease in 7 days minus 27.92, with a market cap of $1 billion and the following in 24 hours is $46 million with a distribution of 33 million AR. Live pair, followed by live pair. Live pair is $24 with a increase in 24 hours, increase of 2.25 and decrease in 7 days 25.31, market cap of $508 million with the volume of 25 million in 24 hours and distribution of 21 million LPT, followed by Filecoin SC at the price of 0.009, which has increased 2.1% in 24 hours and 24 minus 24.717 in 7 days. The market cap of $477 million and the following 24 hours is 26.2 million with a distribution of 49 billion SC. So followed by Audios AUDIO with the price of 0.8 with an increase in 24 hours of 3% and decrease of 29%, and with the market cap of $159 million and the following 24 hours $18 million and distribution of 515 million AUDO followed by Nafos Network, CKB, with the price of 0.01, 4% increase in 24 hours, 23 decrease in 7 days, the market cap of $447 million, following in 24 hours, 27 million, with distribution of 29 billion CKB, followed by Storage. Storage is $1 with an increase of 6% in 24 hours and decrease of 26% in 7 days. The market cap is $409 million, and the volume in 24 hours is $51 million with the distribution of 383 million STORG, followed by Ontology ONT is 0.4 with 1% increase in 24 hours, decrease 22% in 7 days, and the market cap of $399 million, and the volume in 24 hours $50 million, and circulating supply of 375, followed by Flux